ready.
We're ready, Freddy. Ready.
We're ready. Are we ready?
Yeah.
No, we're not.
Today
Not
we
now
got
we're
a bag.
Yeah, nice bag. Welcome to bag.
Today.
Today we have bag. Welcome to bag. Today we have bag. It's a nice bag. You can do this. And in the bag we got some food.
We do?
You got some churches. What do you got today, Larry?
Church's chicken, black pepper, bourbon, black pepper. What did I say?
Chicken.
Is that it? Bourbon, black pepper.
Black pepper chicken. I don't know. We got a lot of napkins. And a box.
We got some mashed potatoes here.
Oh, I can see the chicken.
And then half the chicken.
Oh, and a little biscuit.
We got good biscuits. I should have had a couple more. Church's has the best biscuits of all the chains. Of all the chicken chains, in my opinion.
In his opinion.
And a bourbon black chicken. Ooh, that's hot.
Is it hot still? It's up for a
I mean
while.
the pepper.
Oh, the pepper.
And we're going to have to... Where's my knife? Got a knife there. Oh, there's
Yeah,
a
we got
knife in here.
We're gonna use this very
Oh, there it
trusty.
is.
Oh yeah, I guess that works.
Yeah.
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 And so we're gonna use our trustful plastic knives to cut the chicken. You got it?
Yeah. There.
There. I want this piece.
We get another plate.
For me?
Yeah. Whatever you're taking.
Look at the biscuit. There we go.
It looks really good.
It's a big piece of chicken.
Yeah, it is. It's like it's $6, but
I was gonna use my fork and knife, but I think I'm just gonna go hands in.
I think it's roasted. It's not fried.
It's not fried, it's roasted, I can tell. That's some good sauce on it. Some good seasoning.
Bourbon black chicken, black pepper chicken, and it's Church's. I don't know if there's a lot of churches around the United States or not. There's some mashed potatoes.
It's a good chicken.
I didn't really get a piece of the. I'm gonna get my.
Oh, you're still trying to get the fat, aren't you? I just want hands in.
Yeah. Okay.
It's really good. I think you'll like it. If you can get it, that is.
It's a piece. It is really black peppery. Lemon taste.
It's not like overpowered, it's like just the right amount.
Yeah. It's a really good piece of chicken. It's the kind I used to make when I was a little boy.
Just like Mom used to make.
You notice it's quiet up here.
Oh, you know it's cool. You know it's really good when it's quiet.
Enjoying the food and not talking to you.
Yeah.
It's being mean.
Yeah. So I guess if you're into chicken and into some spice, then get this, because this is actually pretty good. On a spice scale, like with the pepper, it's like a 3. It's not that really that much hitting on the pepper, but it's there.
It's really good chicken. They give you a half a chicken, a whole half a chicken, mashed potatoes, and a biscuit for $6.
It's not bad.
Very good. I think I'll write home for more. So,
So,
as we sit here slopping down our chicken,
and we're not talking to you guys, but get this. This is like really good. This is like really good. It's like just the right amount of spice, but it's still good chicken. And of course, you know, they always have good biscuits.
I ran out of jokes. The last show was the last joke I had written down, so I'll have to give you one from memory, one of my greatest hit ones.
Oh, I think I know this one. You told me this a lot. Yeah.
Two horses are in the barn, they're race horses, and they're talking to each other, and one of them looks at the other and goes, "Man, my ass hurts." And he goes, "Mine does too." He goes, "What's the deal?" He goes, "I don't know." And this dog walked by and heard him and says, "You stupid fuckers, don't you know they're shooting you up with drugs to make you race faster or run faster before the race?" And the one horse looks at the other horse and goes, "Hey, a talking dog." A talking dog.
Ha! I get it. Do you get it?
No.
You don't get your own jokes? That's when you know it's really bad.
So,
Find some chicken on here. I want some chicken.
we're going to have to cut it off because I don't want to go over 12 minutes.
Yeah. So get this. Get it now.
Get it now. Get it for your Sunday dinner.
Grab a skateboard and go on and get it.
The only problem at at church is chicken, you gotta wait so long. They're really slow at home.
Yeah, they're slow, but they do make good chicken.
So, that's all for today. Let me get some here. I got this. Okay. Bye, everybody.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Yeah,
Bye.
tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Huh? I like finish my whole chicken.